You got a raise, but you're still broke. How does that even happen? Your bank account looks exactly the same. The money just vanished into thin air. I'm going to show you exactly why this happens and how to fix it. I'm Zoe, and I help people understand why their money behaves so weird. On this channel, we break down real money problems with solutions that actually work. Hit that subscribe button right now. Let's get into it. Everyone tells you to budget better, track your expenses, cut the daily coffee. But here's the thing, your spending habits aren't the real problem. There's something deeper. When you get more money, something shifts in your brain. Your identity changes, and that's where the trap is set. More money means new expectations. Here's what you need to understand. This isn't about willpower or discipline. It's about something called lifestyle inflation. As you earn more, you automatically spend more. And here's the crazy part. It happens completely unconsciously. You don't even realize it. Think about your car. You got a raise. Suddenly your old car feels cheap. Your brain just shifted your baseline. That modest car is now beneath you. Let's use real numbers. You get a $10,000 raise. After taxes, that's $7,000. That's $583 per month. Now watch what happens to it. Better coffee, nicer lunches, that phone upgrade you suddenly need. These aren't conscious decisions. Add it up. $60 per day doesn't sound like much, but that's $1,800 a month. That's where your raise went. Not into savings, not into investments, into lifestyle. 3 months later, you feel exactly as broke as before. The raise changed nothing. But here's what kills me. If you'd invested that same $1,800 monthly, you'd have over $156,000 in 5 years. Now here's what nobody tells you. This isn't really about the math. It's about identity. When you get more money, your brain literally rewires itself. New neural pathways form almost instantly. Your brain is scanning for status markers. Am I keeping up? Do I look like I'm doing well? You see someone with a nicer bag, better car. Your brain registers it immediately. The comparison is automatic. And here's what's scary. This all happens subconsciously. You're not making a conscious choice to upgrade. Your old life suddenly feels cheap. What used to be fine is now unacceptable. That's the new baseline. You start using different language. I'm someone who drives this kind of car. I'm someone who lives in this type of place. Your peer group shifts. You start hanging with people who spend like you spend. They normalize your new baseline, and they reinforce it. Everyone around you is doing the same thing. You're all trapped in the same loop. Every time you upgrade something, you get a dopamine hit. Your brain learns more spending equals feeling good. Let me show you a real example. This is James, software engineer, just got promoted. Before the promotion, James made $75,000, paid $1,200 in rent, drove a reliable car. He was happy. He gets promoted, $25,000 raise. Now he's making 6 figures, $100,000 per year. 2 weeks later, James buys a $52,000 car. His old car suddenly felt cheap. He could afford it now, right? 1 month later, he moves. His $1,200 apartment wasn't good enough anymore. Now he's paying $2,800. Then it's the little things. $8 coffee becomes normal. $45 dinners, designer clothes, the premium gym membership. Let's do the actual math. After taxes, his $100,000 is $72,000. That's $6,000 per month. But he's spending $7,200. 3 months in, James is $1,200 negative every month. He puts it on credit cards. Now he's got $18,000 in debt. James feels exactly as broke as before. Actually worse, because now he's got debt and 0 savings. That $25,000 raise, it vanished completely. Every penny went into lifestyle, not wealth. Let me show you the alternative. Same raise, same income, completely different outcome. This is Sarah. Sarah also got promoted, $75,000 to $100,000. Same exact raise as James, but watch what she did. First thing Sarah did, she set up automatic investing, 20% of her raise straight to investments, $1,200 per month. Before she touched anything else, before the lifestyle upgrade, the money was already gone into investments. Then she kept everything the same. Same car, same apartment, same coffee, 0 lifestyle inflation. 5 years later, Sarah has $92,000 invested, compounding interest, steady contributions, no lifestyle creep. Same promotion, same $25,000 raise. James has $18,000 in debt, zero savings. Sarah has $92,000 invested. Here's where people mess up. Even when they know about lifestyle inflation, they still fall into these traps. Mistake number 1, the I deserve it trap. You worked hard for that raise. You earned it. You deserve to enjoy it. And that's true. But your future self also deserves a life without financial stress. Deserve works both ways. Mistake 2, just this once. You tell yourself it's one upgrade, one exception, but just once becomes a pattern. Mistake 3, I'll start saving later. Once I'm settled, once things calm down, later becomes never, and 5 years disappear. Mistake 4, it's only $6, only $12, only $15. Those small purchases add up to thousands monthly. But here's what makes this even worse. It's not just about the money you spend. It's about opportunity cost. Every dollar you spend on lifestyle is a dollar that can't compound. That $1,800 monthly lifestyle, that's $340,000 in 10 years if invested. And here's what nobody tells young people. Your 20s and 30s are the most valuable years financially. Time is not neutral. Start investing $1,000 monthly at 25. You'll have $2.3 million at 65. Wait until 35, $1 million. Wait until 45, $465,000. 10 years costs you almost $2 million. This literally determines your entire life. Whether you can retire, whether you're financially free, whether you're trapped working until you die. Most people who fall into lifestyle inflation never retire. They work until 70, 80. They have zero savings. They're completely dependent on whatever Social Security gives them. And when they get old and sick, healthcare costs $12,000 a year that Medicare doesn't cover. No savings means no care. You're at the mercy of the system, and it doesn't just hurt you. Your kids end up supporting you. $800 a month each, which means they can't save for their retirement. The cycle repeats. You have a choice right now. Every single person watching this has a choice. You can keep doing what everyone else does and end up broke. Or you can do something different. You can be like Sarah. Same income, completely different life trajectory. Here's the system. Step 1, automate your investments before you see the money. Step 2, freeze your lifestyle exactly where it is. Step 3, let compound interest do the work. The number is 20%. 20% of any raise goes straight to investments, automatically before you touch it. The other 80%, that's yours for lifestyle. But here's what's hard. You have to mentally reframe the raise. That money isn't yours. It was never yours. It's future money. You have to defend this choice. Your brain will fight you. Your friends will question you. Every status trigger will try to pull you back. Find people who get it, who choose wealth over status, who understand compound interest. You need people who support this choice, not undermine it. Remember this. Wealth is invisible. The car, the watch, the designer bag, everyone sees it. Nobody cares in 5 years. The investment account, nobody sees it, but it changes your entire life. Think 10 years ahead. $1,500 monthly, modest 8% return. In 10 years, you have $280,000. Now, that's not rich, but it's freedom. 20 years, you're over 1 million. You can retire early. You have options. You can quit a job you hate. You have leverage. You have freedom. The cost of lifestyle inflation isn't the money. It's 20, 30, 40 years of your life. It's working when you should be free. It's stress when you could have peace. You start today, not tomorrow, not next month. Today. Every day you wait costs you compound interest. Every day matters. Next raise you get, here's what you do. Set up automatic investing that same day. 20%. Direct from paycheck to investment account. Takes 10 minutes. Then never touch it. Your life doesn't change at all. You never see that money. Your lifestyle stays exactly the same, but your future transforms completely. To everyone else, you look exactly the same. Same car, same apartment, same coffee. But underneath, massive wealth building. They can't see it, but you feel it growing every single day. This is compound interest. It starts slow, painfully slow. First year feels like nothing, but year 5, you feel momentum. Year 10, it's unstoppable. The money makes money. The growth accelerates. You can't stop it even if you tried. Your 20s and 30s are financial gold, not because you earn the most, because you have the most time. Time is the secret ingredient. Time turns small amounts into fortunes. Here's your defense. Your lifestyle is frozen, completely frozen. No upgrades, no improvements, nothing. You build a wall around your current life. Everything new tries to get through. The wall stops it all. Every time you want to upgrade something, ask 3 questions. Is this building wealth or buying status? Will I care about this in 5 years? Am I choosing for future me or now me? This requires patience you don't have. Nobody has this patience naturally. We want instant results, instant gratification, instant everything. But compound interest doesn't work instantly. You give up tiny pleasures now, the slightly nicer car, the better apartment, the expensive dinners. In exchange, you get financial freedom forever. It's the most unequal trade in history. You win by a mile. Your friends will think you're weird. Your family will question you. Everyone will ask why you're living like you're broke when you're making good money. They won't understand, and that's okay. Stand anyway. 5 years from now, they'll still be broke. Same lifestyle, same stress, zero progress. You'll have serious money, real options, actual freedom. Then who looks weird? 2 paths. Same starting point, same opportunities. One person spends every raise on lifestyle. 20 years later, zero saved, still working, trapped. The other invests 20% automatically. 20 years later, over $1 million, complete freedom. So, which path are you choosing? Because you are choosing right now. Not choosing is choosing the lifestyle path by default. The default path is lifestyle inflation. You do nothing, that's where you go, automatically. Without thinking, straight into the trap. You wake up at 45, zero savings, and wonder what happened. You have to actively choose wealth, intentionally, deliberately, against everything your brain wants, against what everyone around you is doing. It requires force. The system is 3 steps. Automate 20% of every raise. Freeze your lifestyle completely, then wait. That's it. 3 steps. Anyone can do this. Here's the beautiful part. You don't need willpower. Willpower fails. The system works because it's automatic. You set it up once, then it runs forever. No decisions, no temptation, no failure points. The money never hits your checking account. Paycheck comes in, 20% goes straight to investments. Automatic, forever. You never see it. You never miss it. You never make a decision about it. Start today, not Monday today, not next paycheck. Today, open your investment account today, set up the automation today. Every hour you wait costs you money. The first step is tiny. Open an investment account. Vanguard, Fidelity, Schwab, 10 minutes online. That's it. That's step 1. Done. Step 2, link your paycheck to your investment account. 20% automatic transfer. Set it, lock it, never touch it. The system is now running, then forget about it. Live your life. Same car, same apartment, same everything. Enjoy your life. The wealth builds in the background. You don't think about it. You don't see it, but it's growing every single day. 5 years in, you have a safety net. 10 years, you can quit any job you hate. 15 years, you have real options. 20 years, complete financial freedom. The locks open one by one. This changes your entire life trajectory. Not just your bank account, your stress levels, your health, your relationships, your options, your confidence. Everything shifts. Hit subscribe if this helped you. I make videos on wealth building, financial psychology, and breaking free from the rat race. Let's build wealth together. Drop a comment. Tell me which path you're on. Are you lifestyle inflating right now, or are you building wealth? What's your 20% number? Let me know. Share this with someone who needs it. Your friend who just got a raise. Your sibling who's making decent money but always broke. Someone needs to hear this today. Remember the stakes. You give up 20% now. You get 40 years of freedom later. That's not a fair trade. That's the most lopsided win in history. You're trading almost nothing for everything. You can do this. I know it feels impossible. I know everyone around you is doing the opposite. I know your brain is screaming for that upgrade, but you can do this. You're stronger than you think. Or don't do it. Keep upgrading your lifestyle. Keep spending every raise, then wake up at 70, still working, zero saved, no options. That's the alternative. Is that what you want? Choose wealth over status. Always. Every single time, every decision, every temptation, every comparison. Choose wealth, choose freedom, choose future you. 20 years, $1.02 million. This is real. This is achievable. This is what happens when you choose wealth over lifestyle. This is your future if you start today. You deserve this. You deserve financial freedom. You deserve to not stress about money. You deserve options. You deserve peace. You don't need anyone's permission, but if you need to hear it, you deserve this life. Be the first in your family. The first one who builds wealth instead of faking wealth. The first one who retires early. The first one who breaks the cycle. That's you. Right now, don't worry about the size. Start with $100 a month if that's all you can do. 500, whatever. The amount doesn't matter as much as the habit. Small seeds become giant trees. Just plant it. Compound interest is actual magic. Year 1 looks like nothing. Year 5, you're noticing. Year 10, it's impressive. Year 20? It's more money than you ever imagined. The curve is exponential. It gets steeper and steeper and steeper. Every single day you wait costs you. Compound interest needs time. The earlier you start, the less you have to invest. Wait 5 years, you need to invest way more to catch up. Time is the secret ingredient. This is your moment. Right here, right now. This video, this decision. This is the moment your life splits into 2 paths. This is where you choose. You'll remember this moment 20 years from now. 2 doors. Lifestyle or wealth. Status or freedom. Now or later, 1 door leads to decades of stress and working until you die. The other leads to financial freedom and peace. Which door are you walking through? I believe in you. I don't know you, but I believe you can do this. You're here. You watched this whole video. That means you want something different. That means you're ready. You can do this. Start right now. Not tomorrow, not Monday, not next paycheck. Pause this video, open your phone, search for investment account, start the application right this second. Do it now. Thank you for watching this whole video. 20 minutes is a long time. The fact that you're still here means you're serious. That means you're going to do something different. I'm grateful you gave me your time. Go build your wealth starting today. Choose the wealth path. Automate that 20%. Freeze your lifestyle. Let compound interest work its magic. I'll see you in the next video. Make sure you're subscribed. Hit that bell. I post weekly videos on building wealth, financial independence, and escaping the 9-to-5 trap. Let's build this wealth together. See you next time. Choose wealth. Always choose wealth. Build your freedom. I believe in you. Let's go.